Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ae-se-anar, aa-se-aam. Colors name: light green color, light grey color, light brown color, dark brown or we can say chocolate color, red color, yellow color, dark green color, light green color, brown color, red color and red color. What is this? What is this? What is this? This is burger. Yummy yummy food. So kids, let's start. Blue color, ae, ae-se-anar, yellow color, aa-se-aam, purple color, e, छोटी ई से छोटी ई से छोटी ई, छोटी ई से इमली, ऑरेंज कलर, ऑरेंज कलर, बड़ी से eekh, ऑरेंज कलर, बड़ी से eekh, पिंक कलर, छोटे ऊ से उल्लू, ब्राउन कलर, बड़े ऊ से ऊंट. So kids, what we learn today? We learn ae-se-anar, aa-se-aam, छोटी से इमली, बड़े ई से ईख, छोटे ऊ से उल्लू, बड़े ऊ से ऊंट. So kids, did you see some shapes? So kids, what we learn today? We learn ae-se-anar, aa-se-aam, छोटी से इमली, बड़ी से ईख, छोटे ऊ से उल्लू, बड़े ऊ से ऊंट. So kids, did you see any shapes here? Did you see? Yes? Okay, let's find out shapes. Let's start. This line, this line, this line connected here and this line. What is this? Which shape is this? This is square. This is square. And what is this shapes? This is also square. This is also square. And this shape is? This is also square. This is also square. And what is this shape is? What is this shape is? This is also square. This is also square. And what is this shape? This is also square. And what is this shapes? This is also square. So kids, we learned today ae-se-anar, aa-se-aam, and we learn one shape also. We learn square shape. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video. Till then, bye.